predetermined fate. Shadows paint the band with the secrets that they keep. Dreams are left abandoned in the corners of the street. We chase the fading sunsets, but the dawn is running late. Caught up in the circles of a predetermined fate. There's a fire burning bright beneath the ash of stone. A whisper in the wind, telling us we're not alone. We rise, we fall, through the shadows hear our call. Hand in hand, we stand up tall, break the chains and tear down walls. We won't be divided, not anymore. Together we'll find what we're searching for. Ashes we ascend like a phoenix to the sky, casting off the darkness, letting spirits fly. Voices join in harmony, a chorus of the free, writing our own destiny in new realities. Screens flash, images designed to keep us scared. Voices speaking loud, but nothing's ever shared. Lines drawn between us by the powers that be, but underneath the surface we're the same indeed. Time to lift the veil, let the truth be known. Erase the borders that we've overgrown. One world, one love, that's the master plan. Reach out to your neighbor, take them by the hand. Walls are just illusions that we built inside our minds. Maps are redrawn when we refuse to stay confined. Echoes of the past won't dictate who we'll be, unlocking all the doors to our shared humanity. We rise, we fall, through the shadows hear our call. Hand in hand, we stand up tall, break the chains and tear down walls. We won't be divided, not anymore. Together we'll find what we're searching for. We rise, we fall, through the shadows hear our call. Hand in hand we'll stand up tall, break the chains and tear down walls. We won't be divided, not anymore. Together we'll find what we're searching for. We ascend like a phoenix to the sky, casting off the darkness, letting spirits fly. Voices join in harmony, a chorus of the free, writing our own destiny, a new reality. We rise, we fall, united we'll break through it all. Hand in hand we'll stand up tall, answering together to the freedom call.